Okay, read this one. Okay, one more time.
It is a hot day.
Very good. It is a hot day. 2 boxes for you, Daniya. 1, 2. Okay, next, can you read this one?
Fred and his gang are camping.
Very good. Fred and his gang are camping. Another 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one?
Fred is carrying some fish and Fred is
Helping him. Fred is grilling some fish and Fran is helping him. Another 2 boxes. Can you read this one?
One is miss. Then is missing some drinks and Fred is shopping some nuts.
Nuts. Pam is mixing some drinks and Frank is chopping some nuts. Another 2 boxes. Okay, next, can you read this one?
Fred is just sitting on the set thinking of something.
But D is just sitting on the sand thinking of something. Another 2 boxes. Alright, good. You've crossed the